Jebel Sahaba was a burial site located along the Nile River in what is now northern Sudan. It dates to the end of the last ice age, around 13,000 years ago. At the time, this region supported human communities living along a shrinking river corridor. Archaeologists discovered the remains of more than 60 individuals at the site. These were not scattered bodies from a single violent event. The dead were buried carefully, suggesting a stable community that returned to this place over time. What makes Jebel Sahaba significant is the level of violence preserved in the remains. More than half of the skeletons show clear signs of injury caused by weapons. Many individuals had stone arrowheads embedded in their bones, while others showed fractures consistent with blunt force trauma. Some of these injuries had healed before death. This means the same people were attacked multiple times during their lives. Violence was not rare or accidental. It was repeated and ongoing. The victims included men, women, and children. This indicates the conflict was not limited to combatants. Entire communities were affected, suggesting sustained hostility between neighboring groups. The primary weapons involved were stone-tipped arrows and spears. The pattern of injuries suggests ambushes and long-range attacks, rather than only close combat. This implies planning, coordination, and knowledge of enemy movement. Climate change played a critical role. As the Ice Age ended, habitable land along the Nile became more limited. Human groups were forced into closer contact, increasing competition over water, food, and territory. The frequency, repetition, and distribution of wounds at Jebel Sahaba cannot be explained by accidents or isolated disputes. The evidence points to organized, recurring conflict over generations. Jebel Sahaba shows that warfare existed long before agriculture, cities, or states. Organized violence did not begin with civilization. It emerged much earlier, shaped by environmental pressure and the struggle to survive. This was warfare without nations, without armies, and without written history. But it was warfare nonetheless, and its